Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Children, welcome back to your EVS class. In this video, we are going to start with our new topic, that is modes of transport. Okay? But before that, as you know, in the previous video, we have done days of the week. So we will quickly recall days of the week. Okay? So you have to repeat after me. Okay? So the first day of the week is Sunday. Very good. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. There are 7 days in the week, right? Again, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Very good, children. Now let's start with our today's topic, that is modes of transport. Okay, so for that you have to open your page number 24, that is modes of transport. Okay, so let's start.
Okay children, now as I've told you to open your page number 24, that is modes of transport. Okay, so as we know, we travel through different modes of transport. There are 3 modes of transport. How many children? 3. First is land transport, second is air transport and third is water transport. Now these transport help us to move from one place to another, right? Okay, so now we will learn first what are land transport. Children, what are land transport? These vehicles runs on road. It runs on road. Road means land, right? Now let's learn about them. Okay, children. First mode of transport is land transport. L-A-N-D, land. Land transport. Now what are land transport? Land transport are those transport which runs on road or track. Okay, so the first vehicle that runs on road is car, that runs on land. First vehicle that runs on land is car. Spelling of car is C-A-R, car. Again, C-A-R, car. Very good, children. Now the next vehicle that travels on land is bus. B-U-S, bus. Again, B-U-S, bus. Very good. Now the third vehicle, train, right? T-R-A-I-N, train. Again, children, T-R-A-I-N, train. Very good. Now our next mode of transport is air transport. Air transport. What is air transport? Travel from one place to another through
air. Yes,
through air, like the vehicles that move from one place to another through air. The first air transport is aeroplane. The first air transport is, children, aeroplane. The spelling of aeroplane is A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Again, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Now, children, you should know aeroplane is the fastest mode of transport. From all these transport, aeroplane is the fastest mode of transport. Okay, it can make us reach. It help us to move from one place to another very fast. Okay, it is the fastest mode. Now the next air transport is helicopter. This is, children, helicopter. The spelling of helicopter is H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R. helicopter. Okay, now the third and last air transport is glider. This is glider. Okay. Okay, the spelling of glider is G-L-I-D-E-R. Glider. Very good. Now, the third and last mode of transport is water transport. Which transport, children? Water transport. Now, in water transport, the first transport is ship. Which water transport is the, children? Ship. The spelling of ship is S-H-I-P, ship. Again, S-H-I-P, ship. Very good. Now, the second the second water transport is boat. What is the name? Boat. The spelling of boat is B-O-A-T, boat. Again, B-O-A-T, boat. Very good. Okay. The last water transport is, what is this? This is yacht. The spelling of yacht is Y-A-C-H-T. Yacht. Y-A-C-H-T. Yacht. Okay, so children, these are your modes of transport. We have three modes of transport: land transport, air transport and water transport. Okay. In land transport, there are car, bus and train. In air transport, there are aeroplane, helicopter and glider. And in water transport, we have ship, boat and yacht. Okay. So now, children, you have to open your EVS notebook. Right? You have to open your EVS notebook and see. You have to write like this. First, you will write date, sixth assignment, homework, your name. Okay. Now, first you will write modes of transport. First is land transport, second is air transport and third is water transport. You have to write any two land transport, any two air transport and any two water transport from your book. From here you can choose any two land transport. You can choose car, train, and from air transport you can choose aeroplane, helicopter, water transport, ship, boat. Okay, you have to choose from here only. Okay, children, so you will do this work. Okay. Now children, see, you have to do this work also. You have to match the following. Now see, we have 5 senses, right? How many senses do we have? We have 5 senses. That is, first sense is taste, see, smell, feel and hear. Now children, you have to match the organ which help us to taste, see, smell, feel and hear. Now see, which body part help us to taste? Our tongue. Our tongue help us to taste. So we'll match taste with our tongue. Right? Next, see. Now, which body part help us to see, children? I have told you, right? Which body part help us to see? Our eyes. Yes, so we will match see with our eyes. Okay. Next is smell. Now, which body part help us to smell, children? Our nose. Very good. So we will match smell with our nose. Now feel. Now how can we feel something? How can we feel that somebody is touching us or something is in my hand, how can we feel? With our hand. Yes, so we will match feel with our hand. Now last one is hear. Now how do we hear? Which body part help us to hear, children? Our ears. Very good. So you will do this work also. Okay, children. So that's it for today.
So children, that's all for today. As we have learned about modes of transport, now you will write these modes of transport in your EVS notebook as I have shown you, right? So that's all for today. Till my next video, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe and keep learning. Bye bye.